Hello and welcome back to Internet Avail. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up your mobile network. Sometimes your mobile network can be pretty low, your browsing speed can be pretty low, but in this video, I'm going to show you how you can speed up that network speed. As you can see my phone, I'm measuring my speed, pretty low, but through the process that I'm going to show you, you can speed up your network. So first of all, you need to go into your mobile phone. You go to your mobile phone, then you tap on the settings option. After you tap on the settings option, you need to go to your Wi-Fi connection. There is your network and internet. Then you need to click on your mobile network. Click on your mobile network. You will see the mobile network that you're using. I'm using the SIM slot 1. I'll tap on it. Under SIM slot 1, there is the access points that we are currently using. I'll tap on it. You can see I'm using Safaricom currently. So I need to change to move from using Safaricom to use a new access point. I need to create one in order to use another one. On top, you can see the add button. I'll click on it. Here you can see the details that I need to fill in to create a new access point. I'll first of all input my name. I'll call it 4.885G. The 5G network. I'll click OK. I also need to name the APN. I'll give it the code 4.488. I also need to indicate the server that I'm going to be browsing to access the internet with. In this case, I'm going to be using Google. So I'll type in the Google URL. You need to scroll down until you go to the point of APN type. I need to indicate the type of APN that I'm using. In this case, I'm going to use the default APN. I'll type in my default APN. You also need to indicate the APN protocol. I use the IPv4 and the IPv6. I'll use both of them. I'll check in the box. I also need to indicate the APN roaming protocol. I'll use the IPv4. You also need to check in the bearer. I will specify it, so I'll uncheck the box of unspecified and check the specified bearer that I need to use. I'll check all of them. This will give it a large range. Then I'll click OK. After I'm done with setting up the access point, now I need to save my new access point. So I'll tap on the three dots above and save my new access point. The phone is going to use this new access point to access or to browse in your network. I'll select the new access point that I have already created. Sometimes it can lose your network, but to solve this, you can restart your mobile phone and the network will be back. As you can see my speed, there is loading my speed, and my speed is 3.2 Mbps, and that's how you increase your network speed. If this video was educative, click the subscribe button and turn the notification on, and I will see you in our next video.